What are you doing? Oh, I see.
We're getting rid of Blue's hiccups.
Oh, that makes a lot more sense.
Hey, everybody. How's it going?
No, you don't.
But I was just saying hi.
Go practice right now.
But
Did you forget last year already?
no.
Did you?
Let's hear it for our great contestants.
Some people never learn.
Well, are your hiccups gone?
I think so. No, they're not.
All right. Time to get serious. Breathe into this bag.
Drink this hot sauce.
Take deep breaths.
Eat this peanut butter.
Get scared.
Oh!
Lots of small sips. Lots of big sips.
Lots of small big sips.
More hot sauce?
Okay. Now stand on your head and then brush your teeth. And go like this. La 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 la.
La, 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 la.
Good. And then swallow this lemon.
Now, how's this supposed to work, Ed?
I don't know. I just wanted to see if he'd do it all.